basic English word meanings that will help you in basic English conversation. Today is our lesson 3. So let's start. So, our first word is spit. Spit means थूकना. थूकना. Spit means थूकना. Cook. There are two types of cook. One is to cook something and one is a job. Cook. I am writing the verb one. Cook means pakana. Cook means pakana. Eat. Eat. Eat is a simple word. That means eat means खाना. अच्छा बच्चों, दो किस्म के खाने होते हैं. एक खाना फूड, एक खाना ईट. अब मैं आपको फूड वाला ईट बताता हूँ. फूड वाले ईट को हम ऐसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ये खाना बड़ा मज़ेदार था. और जो वर्ब वो वाला खाना है वो उसको हम ऐसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे कि आई ईट एप्पल. तो हमारा दूसरा वर्ड है राइट. राइट के मायने हैं लिखना. राइट मीन्स लिखना. लिखना. इरेज. Erase. Erase means मिटाना. Erase के मायने हैं मिटाना. Break. Break. There are two types of break. One is to break something and one is when the day is half you get a rest time that called break. Break means तोड़ना. Break means तोड़ना. Now paint. Paint. There are two types of paint. One is to paint something and one is the original word paint. We will write the paint verb one. रंगना. रंगना. Dance. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Dance means नाचना. Spit. Spit means थूकना. Spit के मायने हैं थूकना. Cook. Cook means पकाना. Cook के मायने हैं पकाना. Eat. Eat means खाना. Eat means खाना. Eat के मायने हैं खाना. Write. Write means लिखना. Write के मायने हैं लिखना. Erase. Erase means मिटाना. Erase के मायने हैं मिटाना. Break. Break means तोड़ना. Break के मायने हैं तोड़ना. Paint. Paint means रंगना. Paint के मायने हैं रंगना. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Dance means नाचना. So, dear kids, there are only 5 words left. So, I am writing that fast. So, the first word is take. Take. Take means लेना. लेना. Take के मायने हैं लेना. Give. Give. Give के मायने हैं देना. Give. Give means देना. Drink. Drink. There are two types of drink. One is the beverage one and one is the verb. Drink means पीना. Drink means पीना. The next word is play. Play. Dear kids, there are two types of plays. Play means the first type of play is to start something, and the second one is to have fun, something like that. Play means खेलना. Sweep. Sweep. Sweep means झाड़ना. Sweep means झाड़ना. So dear kids, that's all for today. I will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.